IPTV streaming guide for beginners. Are you tired of constant buffering and links that just do not work? Streaming should be easy, but sometimes it feels like a technical nightmare. Let us fix that today. First, let us check your internet speed. You need at least 10 megabits per second for smooth HD streaming. For the best results, use a wired Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi whenever you can. It provides a much more stable connection. If you must use Wi-Fi, connect to the 5 GHz band. It is much faster than 2.4 GHz. The 5 GHz band has less interference. This means fewer drops while you are watching your favorite shows. Next, try a full restart. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Power, then select Restart. Sometimes the app itself gets bogged down. You should clear your cache regularly to keep things running fast. Go to Settings, then go to Applications, then select your IPTV app, then select Clear Cache. Do not select Clear Data yet. Is your stream still slow? Your internet provider might be throttling your connection when it detects high bandwidth use. A reliable VPN can hide your traffic. This helps you bypass these blocks and maintains your privacy while streaming. Now, let us look at your source link. A single missing character in an M3U link will stop the stream completely. Carefully double-check every dot and dash. It is best to copy and paste the link directly from your provider. Another expert tip is to change your DNS. This can sometimes improve your connection to the IPTV servers. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then select Advanced, then go to DNS Settings. Try using Google DNS. Set your primary DNS to 8.8.8.8. Set your secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Make sure your streaming device is up to date. Outdated software can cause major compatibility issues with new streams. Go to Settings, then go to System, then select System Update, then select Check for Update. Install any available patches. If you are using an older device, it might struggle with high-definition 4K streams. Try lowering the quality settings. Switching from 4K to 1080p can significantly reduce buffering if your processor is old. By following these steps, you should have a clear and stable streaming experience. Consistency is key. If you face any difficulty, please leave a comment below. I promise to reply within 1 hour to help you out. Please like this video and share it. Subscribe to TechVibes for more practical tech solutions. You are now ready to enjoy smooth streaming. Stay connected and stay updated. Happy streaming!